So what I want to do today, by the way, guys, is implement the Metaprogression stats in the game, the power-ups, essentially. So, and I also want to give you an update on the power-ups. Yesterday, or not yesterday, on, what was it? On Friday, I decided to create new and interesting power-ups. Like, for example, the power-up for Lone Ranger, which gives my hero the Lone Ranger stat. And then we had the power-up early rounds, which gives more gold generation, but also enemy movement speed. I decided to give the movement speed. And then the other power-up was the Deadly Swarm power-up, which basically gives us more gold and the enemies a higher spawn rate and more movement speed. And you can see here that I reworked this a little bit from generic stats to split hero and enemy stats. So essentially what I want to do here is have a list of stats that affect the heroes and the enemies for not every power-up, but for some power-ups. If I make the enemy stronger, I need to give the heroes something that is counteracting that, of course, to give the player something good. And why do I do that? Well, because I can use these different types of stats and buffs in later different types of biomes. For example, if I make a... Let's find the game state, by the way. You can see him. And then we have the level state. And there we go. So, for example, in a level, let's say an ice level, we can have enemies be unaffected by the ice, and our units have a speed debuff of 20%. Now what I can do here is I can put that speed debuff on the power-ups for the heroes, and that is every stat here. So for example, I can make the units all, give them all a chill effect or a slow effect, right? We could have a chill effect or like a generic, you know, start slow or something, right? And that level now makes all of the units slow because, well, it's right here. It's in the power-ups. And then also I could make a level, design a level where all of the enemies are 10% faster. Or a difficulty, let's say we have the normal difficulty, everything is base. Gotcha, and then on a, let's say, hard difficulty, all of the enemies deal 10% more damage and are 10% faster. Because that's ultimately how Bloons works too. The Bloons and Chimps on Chimp's difficulty are much faster than on the baby difficulty, essentially. And that's the same with Kingdom Rush as well. And so ultimately that's what I came up with off stream. I didn't like the merged stats that I had before, because now if I give a unit 10% more damage, the 10% could also apply to the enemies, right? And so I split it up like this, but ultimately that's what I decided on. And you know, I was a little bit sad on Friday, you guys could see that probably, that the stat system I came up with wasn't good enough. And so I spent a lot of time brainstorming this idea, and that's ultimately the solution that I came up with. And I think I'm very happy about this. And so today I want to essentially build the UI for this. I want to rework the town's UI for Metaprogression so that we can actually start using it and begin the actual proper gameplay loop of the game, start implementing that so that we can build towards the demo. And so ultimately I want, where's that? This, right here. This is what I want to do. So this is the type of UI I would like to do today. Hi again, let's go. Hello there, sir. Bye, Jewel, good morning. Recovery, thank you very much for following. And Odin Studio, good morning. Thank you very much for following as well. Do something new and interesting, UI. Yes, because it's part of the gameplay loop and we need to essentially make that gameplay loop perfect. Okay, very important. UI is not gameplay. No, the gameplay loop is... Why am I even like... Shut the fuck up. Alright. So, essentially, this image right here is going to change now. I would like to redesign all of these first and then make them index into the other list. When is the next collector TD update? Truth equals ban? No, it's not truth equals ban. You're wrong. It's actually not true. So let's do F11 here. Shouldn't F11 work? Did I change that? Show options. Window? Whatever. So essentially we're gonna make that now. Going to make it a bit smaller. And then start working on the game. There we go. So we're going to change this interface while the game is running. Very simple, hopefully. In_town. It's not true because truth equals timeout. True. Hello, right this side. Good morning. How are you doing, man? Summoning the next wave earlier should be a base game mechanic, not a power-up. Yeah, that's your opinion. We'll see what other people say when they test the game, okay? I see what you mean. I get it. But I can't discuss this all day, every day. Because ultimately, we don't have time for this, bruv. Library. There we go. We're doing the sprite and then we town, state, view, library. Yeah, these are going to be pop-ups, ultimately. My opinion, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Do you optimize your code as you go or at the end? I optimize the code whenever I see I need it, essentially. In town menu, town's options, yeah. Options menu, display options. It's gonna be done in a loop. Not sure what that is. Obviously, I didn't visit the town code in a long time. So this will mean we have some work cut out for us. Because this right here, the UI, view the shop, these are essentially modals. I could work with them in modals instead of having a switch case statement between different states of the town. Because the town is not in a state. The town is just showing me a window, essentially. So that's bad. However, we have no other choice at the moment. View library, this is the one that we're taking a look at. And so, for example, I could get rid of the template and then we don't have a background window. But it would still show up. You see this? Anyways, so let's begin. Where do we start? With the content, I guess. The power-up size, I think, is fine. Ultimately. I think the window is a little clamped. In my opinion. Refactor incoming. Yeah, kind of a refactor. Yes. And so we could say, let's see, button reroll, scroll bar, power-ups. This is where we go through the power-ups later and we get a different power-up. I first would like to draw a different sliced menu. I don't want to use those. I want to use wood 2. Let's test all 2 and see what that looks like. I think they make it a bit easier to see. The border is not as thick. And we gain decent... I wonder why F11 doesn't work. Probably because I have to click it multiple times. There is kind of a small gradient in them. But yeah. Yeah, it looks like F11 is... Yeah, I don't know why. He spent quite a bit of time reducing compile times and chat was shitting on him for it the entire time, but I actually think it was a great thing. Yeah, actually, I think so too. And 2,000 people on YouTube think so too, because I made a video out of it. Could have posted it on my main channel even. Got 2,000 views on a channel with like 400 subscribers. Big views, guys. Big views. True. All right, let's see here. Now we changed that, and then the first thing I want to change after this is the text. I want this to be 0.5, not 0.75. There we go. Now we have a lot more space, which is awesome. And then I want to clean up a little bit more. Maybe 0.75, but we'll see. Save the imager will be useful. Check imager. Cakes. Why? Pirate yoinkware. What the fuck is it? What is this abomination, bro? What's wrong with you? Who posted that? Shade11? You're getting banned for sure, bro. Where are you? Goodbye. 10 minutes, sir. I'm not pirate software, okay? I'm not pirate yoinkware. Go away. VIP, by the way, yeah. It was a mistake to VIP this guy. 100%. Root cakes, it's not root. Alright, let's see here. Check boxes. Yeah, hell yeah. That's those boxes right here. Actually, we have better boxes. We have better boxes. Let's see. Yo, chat. Hell, Akomo. Good morning. How's it going? Yo, my man. How are you doing, sir? First message, bruv. All Cakes has hot reloading with DLLs? Yes, Janice. You wanna see how that works? Here. There we go, on YouTube. Let me link that to you. Here. I have a very simple guide on it too. Because I think it's awesome. If you care about compile time, you would fix your shit build system and support incremental builds. My build is already a fraction of a second, you moron. So you're wrong. Man, talking to Inukai sometimes makes me feel dumb. I don't know what it is, you know. I just do not know what it is. Let's mark this here and then display upgrades. Yeah. Display upgrades. Yeah. Show. Eh? What? Underscore upgrades. Huh? Huh? I have a function in the game called display underscore upgrades. It is a function in the game. I never changed. Huh? I never changed that. Hä? Hä? I'm talking with STD. I think the icon should be square rather than a rectangle. I have a really cool icon, I just can't find it right now because I lost my function, display upgrades, which is definitely in there. Hä? Why is it not here? Hä? Show? Come on, this has got to be a joke. You could probably find your function on GitHub. I'm not going to get mad. I'm not going to get mad. I'm not getting mad. You're not getting mad, Cakes. Don't update level. I'm not getting mad. I'm not getting mad. I'm not getting mad right now. Metaprogression, yeah. Calculate enemies left to spawn, yeah. Yeah. The fixed time step over here. Unlocked rendering of the game. Running level. In-level UI. Draw UI, yeah. If we have a selected view, yeah. Display upgrades. I removed the function and turned it into a locally scoped function. That's why it's no longer called display upgrades. I get it now. I turn it into a locally scoped function, and so it's still called display upgrades, but not with an underscore. Okay, I'm just gonna do for the future. Because this is how I ultimately searched for it all the time, and now it's called this. That's why I didn't find it. So display...
I don't want to be like Cakez.
Display... Yeah, there we go. Amazing idea. Your locally scoped functions surely don't waste time looking for it. Yeah, if you forget it... Yeah, I know. It sucks. I agree. But now I won't forget it anymore, okay? It was my mistake. I understand. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Where is that? Do button, green arrow. Draw abilities. There we go. So, for all of the abilities that I have unlocked... No, wait. It's gotta show me that. Heading? Icon sort? Unlocked upgrades? Weapon data spread? No. It's supposed to draw... Hey? Wait a minute. Am I, like, going crazy? Am I going crazy? When I click on a unit, it shows me these dots here. So there's got to be here somewhere. Where are these? Draw weapon upgrades. For example, draw weapon upgrades. It draws me the sword icon. Ah, it draws the heading. In the heading, there it is. And it's using UI unlocked and locked. These ones. So essentially, yeah. Mark B, Mark A. There we go. So, it's called Sprite UI Unlocked. So essentially, that's what I was looking for in here. See that? And it should be called Locked. Take a look at this. I think that looks better. Huh? What do you think, guys? Cakez, will you put Metaprogression as microtransactions? No. But I will probably add consumables to the game. I thought about it for a long time, and what the game is missing is currently consumables that you can farm to make your life easier if you encounter a strong wave or something unexpected that you can spend your gold on other than this meta progression. So I could make this meta progression very expensive. Okay, fine. Now it takes you quite a long time to get, to get to like 500, 1,000 gold, something like that. It takes you a long time to get this. Fine. What is the incentive to keep farming gold once you're done? And so I need to find a way that makes gold valuable to the player even past the point of meta progression. Meta progression is boring chore? No, I don't agree. If meta progression is boring chore, then in my opinion, meta progression is done wrong. I think meta progression is awesome. It gives you a choice of buffs that you give yourselves. Oh my god, this guy is such a moron. I'm currently replacing that. See you in 10 minutes, bro. I'm not doing cold resistance. This guy just... Whatever. Anyway, so we changed that now. And I wanna actually the position here. Checkbox position. I think 16 is a bit low. How about 18? There we go. Okay, now. Next thing is when we select one, I want to change that to look something like this. I want to have the cost in a separate window on top. The level here, showcasing the level here as well. And then I want to put text to the left, in the middle, and a buy button to the right. So essentially, this box, I need to fill this a bit better. And I'll probably remove this icon. We'll have to see. It kind of is useless at the moment, unfortunately. think I'll remove this icon, put the buy button here, put the gold here. Now, the issue that I have with this is, well, it kind of is too much vertical space here. I don't like it. I think... Wait, do I have Steam open? Let's take a look at Steam, guys. Maybe we can find, not in Kingdom Rush, but in Vampire Survivors. Here we go. You're missing the credit card option in the UI? Yeah, true. We need that too. Yes. Guys, let's see here. Power-ups. What do they do in Vampire Survivors other than... Damn, that's a lot of money. Other than just give you buffs. Past this here, there's not much more you can spend your money on, right? I can't spend money on something else, correct? Your spirit animal is orange. I thought it's pumpkins. Yeah, they can be confused like that, yeah. That story is shit. I would invent a different one. No, because it's correct. It's not correct. Because it's the story. It is. That's just what it is. Vampire Survivors stole your UI idea. So essentially Vampire Survivors, in my opinion, does it much better. But essentially that's what it looks like, yeah. It shows the upgrade here at the bottom and then a nice little window up at the top. For me, it's just that I spent so much vertical space on useless stuff here. So maybe I need to change this window. I have a lot of... what do you call that? Vertical... No. I have a lot of horizontal space. My boxes are a little big too, yeah. You yoink UI, Ivan? Of course I yoink UI. Of course. It's very similar. Doesn't matter that much. What I don't like with this system here is that it's basically on top of these here. I don't like that too much. Just fixed a very annoying bug in my own game. Yeah, that's awesome. Congrats, man. What's Superku? I want to see what Superku said earlier. I think you guys were talking about something else, right? Back in the days when I was less of a Pepega, I had all 80,000 lines of code in my canned platform mapped out in my head visually. I would find everything in an instant, including the 7,000 line movement code main file. Now I spend at least 10% of my time just searching for stuff and can't remember shit. Sad, bro, sad. Consolidate them so they all fit in the middle and keep the bar at the bottom. You mean they all fit here and I don't have to scroll at all? I don't have to scroll down? I was thinking about a bar to the left. I was thinking about it. I was thinking about keeping it vertical, then having the buy button there. But maybe that sucks. This looks like Vampire Survivors, yeah. I need top padding. Yeah, top looks like shit, I know. Essentially, the entire menu looks kind of shitty. I know. I'm working on it right now. Like, I know what this is supposed to look like, but let's see if I can't make this a bit better. So this is ultimately the idea. I wanted to have a menu like this. Maybe we can make this... Let's actually take this, right? Put it here. That's the first idea that I had. And then it would look something like, you know, this. That's what I thought. Where do we put this? Further down, maybe? Actually, I can't put this somewhere. I would need to open up a new paint window, I guess. Fine, let's do that. Okay, now, comparatively to this, how would I do another window? I guess we could put the price at the top here. So essentially we could copy that. Right? Put that on the top. And then I guess it would be... Copy this here. Put it down. And then it would be the stats right here. It's not that bad either. What do you guys think? That's the, like the the vertical one. And then that would look something like this. I think that's nice too. And then, you know, the cool thing is, it would always show here to the left. And then it would show the list on the right. It's like a card. I mean, this kind of looks cool too, I have to say. Creating good UI is always thinking, what am I trying to communicate? Yeah, I'm trying to communicate power-ups. I think it's good. The way I have it right now. This looks better here. Okay, fine, we do it like this. Let's not spend too much time on this, because ultimately it is UI. And UI can always be changed. Right? We can always make it better. I'm gonna put it to 2.5. And then instead of drop shadow, we do outline. Then we have the first thing happening here. The text. It's a bit smaller now, which means the power up size could also change. 68 might be a bit too much. Let's do 56 and then 40, no, 50 maybe. Let's try that. See what that looks like. These are the different slots. That's what it looks like now. And then further down here. Where's that? Am I blind? Where's this? Ah yeah, this one here instead of 18 would be 16 again. Thank you very much for following, man. Toxos, good morning. It's not microtransactions, right? Sorry for newbie question. No, this is not microtransactions. I don't plan on adding microtransactions to the game, bro. You know, I wanna just make a good game. That's all. I know that microtransactions like this, just like in Bloons, could work and could earn me a lot of money, though. I'm aware of that. Okay, I'm not oblivious to the fact that microtransactions could very likely earn me a lot of money here with not this, but with consumables. I can even fit another column now, yeah. Alright, let's do it like this. What are you using to make your game? I'm using C++, bro. And it's built or based on this engine here. Silver. Good morning, sir. We are currently working on Metaprogression UI. We have thought about how to structure the code last time, and today we are just changing the UI to reflect the changes. Sliced, let's see. Now, obviously I have to clean this up, right? Scroll bar. Menu position. Still looks good. Power up. Where does it start? Power up's position. Power up origin. 70 would be a bit much. Let's do 64. Then I think we can fit another one here to the right. Let's move that there. And then for every power up, instead of 4, we can do 5. Let's see. Does it look good? Ah, we still need to move it a little bit to the left. Okay, that's fine. So instead of 64, let's try 58, maybe. That looks good, in my opinion. I like it. Oh yeah, wow, that fits perfectly. You see that? It fits perfectly with the black line here. Damn, bro. Bruv. I like that. What do you think about Raylib? I think Raylib is a really good library to start making your game in C++. to get started really fast. I think it's even better than SDL2. As far as I remember, Raylab also gives you sound. Is that correct, guys? Here. Just take a look at how easy it is to make a window in Raylab. Then initialize audio. Load an audio or sound file. Load a sound file. Set target FPS. This is essentially your fixed time step if you want to. And then you have your while loop here, which is very easy. You draw. You clear, draw text, and drawing very simple. Key presses, also very, very simple. And then you can play sound right here, like this. Very, very simple. You load a sound. You have a sound object, and then you can just play that. It's very simple. Play the sound. I think when you want to make a game in C++, this is the best place to start. Anyways, let's just not engage with this idiot. All right, let's go here. And then start. I need... When we have one of those selected, we need to draw a sliced menu, which actually, let's try out different ones, right? What does O3 look like? Wow, guys, what do you think about this menu? It's darker. Huh? What about O4? Do we have O4? No? Hello, my favorite shining smile. My favorite little shining smile. Have a good stream. Oh, my man, thank you. Audio speak. Good morning. We have wood framed. What is framed? Let's test that. Menu wood framed. What does that do? Oh, I see. It's just the framed. I get it now. Just to clarify, I like your smile. I see. Thank you. Thank you, bruv. Let's mark this as A and then search for a gradient. Yoink. I want to test how the gradient looks, guys. On this. So that would be the cost position. The size. Let's see what that looks like. I actually like this a lot. We just have to... Let's see, -12. It's gotta be 8, I think. Howdy, Cakez. What do you say the hardest thing is about game development? Making something that is fun. Figuring out what is fun for players. I think that's the hardest part. Actually making a game loop fun. Because you can have multiple ideas, but then you try them out and maybe they don't work out because it's not fun. Sorry for the numic question. C++. C++ is not my field. How do you compile at runtime? Oh, here. Yeah, how to reload, and thank you, Gnossnificus. That's how I do it. Guys, I like this a lot, this gradient. Take a look at this. Makes this menu look so much better. Very good. I'm gonna keep that. That's number 1. Now, we have the gradient. And we should probably call this the background. Background and gradient, and then the content. Now, I also would like to draw the heading.
Gotcha, bitch.
This is essentially UI change layer. 1. -1. Maybe even 2. Because of the gradient. And then I wanna draw a UI sliced. I wanna draw a sprite. Oof. I don't really know what it's called. I think it's heading blank.
Great to be back to my favorite Vulcan stream.
Ooh, Coding Green, my man.
Please
Good morning.
keep your functions shorter than 5 lines.
Big
We probably
retard,
have to-
don't help.
Cost position, I guess. And it's gotta be const. Why would the menu position be an int? Eh? What the fuck am I doing here? What did I do? Eh? Who wrote this shitty code? Interesting. Are you doing C++ in Godot? Is that right? No, I'm doing C++ normally. It's only C++, yeah. Bozaus, good morning. Thank you very much for following. And Toxos earlier as well. How's work today? Good. Very good. We are currently working on the UI for Metaprogression, and I decided to I decided on like how to do it. And I feel like I have a very good idea. Not a very good idea. I feel like I have a very good solution. Homemade engine, just like the mommy made. Yeah, homemade engine, exactly. Let's see. That is the what is it called? The costs position, I think. And plus vec2. Probably want to have the cost size. Yeah. That's cost size of y divided by 2 and then 0. We don't have cost size right now. Const vec2 cost size is this here. Then we use cost size and cost size. Very nice. Godot tag is fake? No, Godot tag is not fake. You're wrong. Now, why is this complaining here? Maybe because it doesn't have a size right now. We need a size. What size do I want this to be?
Am I so out of touch?
Let's try 80
Ned
by
Bolter just 60. Big tick support for 10 years.
My man, not Bolter.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for subscribing, bro. Yay, good morning. Thank you so much for the support. 10 months in a row, man. She left the door open. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. What is this? Oh, it's the wrong sprite. It's not that sprite. Okay. Maybe sliced menu heading plank. Let's test this. Oh, look at that. It's too small though. Yeah. Ich denke schon, ja. Der wird anrufen. Sonst bin ich halt hier. Alles gut. Sonst bin ich hier. Dann kann er halt mit mir. Der ist am Arbeiten jetzt. Der wird schon anrufen. Keine Sorge. I agree that the Godot and C tags are misleading. No, they're not, guys. Okay? They are not. Okay? We did program in Godot. What are your thoughts on Godot? Still needs a long time to grow. There's a lot of stuff missing from the engine and bugs, unfortunately. I do like it, but ultimately it needs more work. Hallo aus Deutschland. Oh, my man, hallo aus Deutschland zurück. Good morning. The biggest fake tag is no backseating. Can we agree? I don't know what your problem is, guys. Oops. Let's put this here. Where's this? 172. 1000. No, is it 1172? 1072. There we go. All right, now that should look better. Yeah. Oh wait, they need to change. Actually, the plank needs to be 72. And that needs to be, what was it again? 56. Okay, 56 and 72. But so yeah, that's why I think Godot needs a lot of work still. And you can make good games in Godot. Brotato is made in Godot, by the way. One of the biggest games in my opinion is Brotato that uses Godot. Good game. You know, so you can make games in Godot. And so what I do now is I just write in C++. I write my game in C++. I write all of the code myself. Alright guys, the heading. So this is the power up cost. The heading includes the cost. And I probably have to put the cost to the top here. Const. Excuse me. Unity without engine? Not Unity. It's just my own engine. C++ engine. And our what's the difficult name? RGK. Thank you very much for following earlier. The Zig language video kinda triggered me. Really? Yeah, you got triggered by my Zig language video. The non-lazy streamers adjust their tags to what they're doing at the time. They don't write a line
so out of touch?
Of line in Godot and then keep the Godot tag around to gain views.
Just subscribed.
The tag doesn't really do much to gain views, bro. Oh man, thank you Demon for subscribing, man. 2 months. Thank you for so much for the support, bro. Welcome. All right, let's see here, guys. We have the book. No, actually we're here. So we need to draw the cost in there. Cost. Ultimately, I need to draw the sprite for the cost, which is text color gray cost. Let's get this here. Put it into the heading. So let's see. I guess we need to create a new vector to heading position, which is this. This is also const because I don't want to change it. Heading position. There we go. So now we need to put the cost to the heading position first, and then we draw the number at the heading position too, and then we move those out. PVKK looks like an Unreal Engine game. Well, what is PVKK, guys? PVKK is made in Godot. The game is pretty epic.
Gotcha, bitch.
Signed play. Thank you very much for following, man. Welcome, sir. Hello, welcome to the awesome game development stream, okay, bro? We're gonna make awesome games, you know, in the future as well as now. We're currently in the hyperbolic time chamber of learning to make games, okay? When we get out, okay, we will be in base Super Saiyan, okay? We will have learned how to stay in Saiyan form at all times, even in our daily lives, okay? DBZ references? Yes, sir. Exactly. Run while you can. What the fuck? What did I do? Oh no. Huh? Kind of feels like paper, please. Cakes, wow, cakes, wow. Oh god, that looks bad. And it's all behind the heading, of course. Oh, stop it. Right, let's put the stuff on top. Guys, I have a question. Should I start making a defer? I don't know how to do it, but I could need a defer in C++. This is what it looks like, guys. The money is right here, and the coin is right to the left. Now, I do have a different type of coin. I think coin 10 or something? Do I have another coin? Coin small, maybe? What does that look like? I mean, I do have to use the same coin, rather. Because I have it on the bottom left here, too. How did I draw this, by the way? Gold and then this, and then shows me the upgrades, too. So, over here, the number should be like 1.25, maybe. Not 1.5. There we go, I think that's better. And then we plus vector 2, 0, and let's say 2 pixels down. And then over here for the coin, let's say minus 2 pixels to the left. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, yeah, almost. And then obviously I want to also... Now that's 2 pixels to the left, that's fine. This goes 2 pixels to the right and 3 pixels down? Yeah, I think 3 pixels. The lack of knowledge doesn't make you stupid. Ah, that's a nice way to put it. Sometimes you don't want to just yoink because then you wave it into your code and then it's not as maintainable. Yeah, also I don't understand it really, and so I would use it and then just be confused, which ultimately is not what I want. So, no. It's fine. Loser take. You're wrong. You get banned, bro. Sir. What a Dumbo, bro. What a Dumbo. By the way, guys, is it just me? Or is this... Does this need to be 3 pixels? And for some reason, the number is still too close to the coin. So I guess that needs to be -4. And then we also want to draw... I guess the number, right? Draw format UI text that takes in a %d/%d. And then that would be the heading position plus vector 2. Which I guess minus, I don't know, let's say 20. And then for text, it looks like we need to go 3 down. And then for the text data, I want it to render options. I want these to be outlined. Oh, my man, thank you so much for also subscribing, for following GD Sun. Good morning. Hello there, sir. We want outline, and that we need to do the power up. Dot max level, level and max level. Hello, sir. What are you working on today? Hello there, sir. Good morning. And Arma, good morning as well. Hey, Cakes. Hey there, sir. Good morning. We are working on the UI for Metaprogression. I'm currently working on this little thing right here. And after we're done with that, we're going to work on the gameplay loop, aka saving money or getting money in the level and then spending the money on proper Metaprogression. -40, let's try that. And so, but in order to do that properly, we first have to do this. -40 isn't great.
Gotcha, bitch.
36. Boo, bye. Good morning, sir. Welcome. Thank you very much for following, man. Let's see. That looks bad. 32, I guess. Guys, what do you think about this? Wow. Okay, then I guess 30. Do you like the 0 out of 3 on the heading, or does that look bad? Should I put it somewhere else? Or do you just want to have the price here at the top and then put the 1 out of 3 somewhere here to the left? What do you guys think? I think it looks bad in the heading. I think that looks kind of shitty. Actually, I don't even need to know that. I think it just looks bad. Left might be better. Yeah, put it down. And I suppose the size for the heading, instead of 80, we turn that into 62 or something. That's a bit smaller, and then we just put the price on top. So heading position, let's go. The sprite is like -20. I think that's too much. I think it's 16 is good. Oh wow, that's even actually not that bad. So we put that there, and then I guess -12 or something. 12 might be too much. Let's try 10. Yeah, price only there. It should only be the price, exactly. Oh wow, that's bad. Let's do -8. Looks okay together, but the different font sizes are ass. We do it like this. And then I can change the heading to be something else in the future if I don't like the... Like basically the placard, if that makes sense. So yeah, we have the price here. I think I might even heading position. Might even do some more... Like 2 pixels higher, something. Move it a bit higher. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Okay, now, that's the first thing. Oh, we have per level. We already have 0 out of 3. Cool. And so what I want to do here is have the text describing it to the left, and then the actual stats that it affects to the right. And then, of course, the buy button. Which we'll have to see how we do that. So this is not needed. Okay. Isn't it already on the bottom? What do you mean? Yeah, it's already on the bot, JD11, yeah. Alright, let's see. We have the book here to the left. I think we can keep this. That looks nice. Then we put the text a little bit further to the left. And this is where I think this needs to be changed to a text that is described in the power-ups here. So for example, each power-up has a description. How do I do this? So each power-up has a different description. Which I would like to change in one place. I could even do this here. So for example, that would be the content. We draw the book, then the stats. This would be the description here. And so I think I would like to switch on the power up type, which I guess we don't have. So we do what was that? Power up type, power up types. Type is power up early rounds, for example. And then we switch on the type, and then over here we could just say char pointer description is null pointer. It's gonna be probably dangerous. Let's see, power up early rounds, for example. If we have early rounds, then I would like to format text and assign that to the description. I want to format the text Man. This is gonna be difficult. Format text. So essentially I need to do a %s. Oh, that's so annoying. Oh god, that's annoying. Fuck. Man, how do I do this? Fuck, bro. Essentially I need to call a string here. String. Power up. Early rounds description. That will be a format string. And then I need to supply the arguments. String, yeah, Mr. Asen string, thank you. Oh god. I mean, it's possible, but let's just test it. Yank a word. Let's put it to text. Metaprogression names. Let's put it into Metaprogression descriptions. Put that here. Descriptions. If I don't want to use Unity, Unreal or Godot, what programming language should I learn and what game/framework/library to go with, Cakez? If you don't want to use any of the typical game engines, so not even Game Maker or something like that either, I would assume. I would learn C++. If I was you. Haskell, no. I wouldn't learn Haskell. I would learn C++ and then I would start with Raylib in C++ to make games. Because Raylib offers you a variety of rendering functions that allow you to make games quite easily. Or get started into the rendering and opening up a window, sound, stuff. All of that stuff is given to you. In terms of like library functions. And I think that's a great way to get into making games in C++ and seeing if you like it or not. You can always go deeper, of course. Excuse me, guys. Goodness. Goodness. That's the coffee, guys. Oops. So, early rounds. Yeah. Early rounds. You can start rounds early to allowing you to earn more gold. That's the description, the general description, and then but it's gonna be difficult, bro. How do I do that? Bro. There's no way, right? Let's test it. I have an idea. I think I know what to do. We don't need to switch here. We don't need that. We just draw UI text that takes in the string power up early descriptions. That one will be determined by the power. And that is at the... it's not the cost position, is it? Kinda is, yeah, it draws the... yeah, at the... let's put it at the cost position now. Then obviously you just have render options, making it outline. There we go, outline. And then let's do that first. Starts, yeah. How about we do if false? Get rid of that for now. Let's see what that looks like. You can start rounds early. Okay. So now that we have the text. Oh, we're getting really close. Okay, very nice. Where's that? I could say, okay, well, the thing size, the wrapping size is, let's do 50. And then put it plus vector 2 minus 40. Test that. What does it look? Oh, wow. That, okay, yeah. Minus 40 wasn't enough, so let's try 62. And then obviously dot font size is 0.5. Cakez went deeper also, and how now he has Zoe. Okay, bro. I appreciate that, bruv. I do appreciate it very much. Yeah. Thank you very much for the input here. Very important and stuff, you know. Yeah. Guys, what do you think? Is that too little? Should I do 7.5? I think 7.5 is too big in terms of font size here. Yep. I mean, you know. I mean. You think it should be bigger? Yeah. You think it's too small? We can test. Good morning, Pikachu. How are you doing, man? Welcome. And Boo-bye, thank you very much for following earlier, bro. I appreciate it. Welcome, sir. No, I think... I mean, it does work if we give it like 120 size. But 120 might be a bit too much. Also, let's do char pointer. Description is this. Then we do vector 2 float. Text height is get text size description, and then we need to do the font size and the wrapping size. I guess we do 100. And then we do 100 here too. Then we can use the description here and use the text height divided by 2 to figure out how high we should go for the text. So it's always centered in the middle. Awesome, doesn't work at all. Wonder why that is. Do I have to do text height? Huh? Are you stupid? Are you dumb? Oh yeah, of course. Hey. But why? Why is that happening, guys? Why is that happening? Do I need to divide this by 4? Is that correct? I don't know why it works, but it does. Probably doesn't work with everything, does it? Let's see. Let's test what this does. SDL2 is fine as well. Yeah, it is. No, it's not perfect. Not sure why. Okay. I mean, it is how it is. We're gonna do it like this for now. And then I guess we'll just move the book a little bit to the left. Instead of 94, let's say 110. It's too much. Let's do 106. Char pointer stat description is get stat description, taking in, hopefully, a stat bundle. Fuck! Wait, it still works. Wait, it still works. Power ups on 0 dot hero stats. No! Oh, shit! Fuck! Oh, man! I can solve it. I can solve it. I think. No solution. Hey, stop it, Mr. Shade 11. Excuse me. You think it doesn't work? You're wrong, sir. You, sir, are wrong. Looks kinda shitty. Chat did it. We convinced him that code is bad. No. You did not. What do you think? Spawn rate, movement speed. Now it's gotta be enemy movement speed, right? So instead of movement speed, it needs to be enemy movement speed and enemy spawn rate. Enemy spawn rate is easy. Movement speed is a problem. I didn't want to say it, but yeah. So movement speed needs to be enemy movement speed, I know. Also, the menu is kind of a bit too small. At least this thing here right here, because there needs to be a buy button here. Which means we need to make this a bit bigger, which sucks. Start bundle. I kind of like how Cakez is a stick bundle. Cakez, who in the world convinced you to use arranged 4? I want to shake that man, woman, / hand. / woman hand. Maybe change color of text on right, left. Confusing to read, yeah. The color on the right, the text on the right should be... The text on the left should be a little bit gray. Kinda. So essentially... In my opinion, it should be like this. That allows me to highlight the other stuff a bit better. But I still have to make the menu a bit bigger. You could start rounds early, allowing you to earn more gold. No. That would be number 1. Maybe put the book in the middle to separate. Oh, you guys, do you think the book in the middle here would work? And then basically say buy? Have a button. The button itself is the book. And below it says buy in green. What do you think about that, guys? Is that a cool idea? I think that would be nice. Not too shabby. Yeah, right? I mean... Maybe it says buy here or something? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna quickly bring the stroller down the stairs. My wife is going on a stroll with the baby. Okay, can you just make the 1,000 gold to buy? Yeah, but then I can't put it... then I need to put it in the window, essentially. I need to put it somewhere in the... Like, so, if Vampire Survivors does it like this. See, this is how Vampire Survivors does it. Puts the buy button here, and then the gold on top. Simple, right? Very, very simple. We could do something similar, essentially. I could put the icon instead of the book. I could put the icon here, you know? And then we could have a name on top. Could work too, you know? Alright, guys, we need to make a buy button. A buy button. This is the base button that we use in the game usually for most things. I was thinking about... I mean, we could call it buy. Yeah, let's see. I could just have one of these generic ones here. This stuff here. And then just extend that. And then draw a buy on it. Very simple. What do you guys think? Might be a bit big. But let's test it. How much is this? Put it here somewhere first. Just to test. Yeah, goodbye button, exactly. Let's see. No, actually I wanted to like this and like that. Assets. Let's see. Button. No. Button. Not in text. In assets. Button. There we go. Button continue. Back home restart. I guess we can do a button. Buy. That would be on 1,128. Oops, 1,128. And the size of that button would be 22 and 38. Need to make it one taller and one wider. 38 and 22, right? 38 and 22. There we go. Okay, how the fuck do I already have a buy button? That's bad. Yeah. I have too many buy buttons. Button buy. $16.60 and 128. There we go. Let's test this. Should show up here. Actually, it doesn't. Should, right? Let's see. The description is here and then false. The stats. Yeah, button buy. Huh? Wait, maybe I just have to change this right here. Why is this not showing up? Okay. Am I blind? Am I dumb? Assets. Button buy. Eh? Buy. Button buy. Why is this not... What am I doing wrong? Atlas offset? Size? Okay. Why is this not showing up? Okay. Am I dumb? What the fuck? Oh, I don't have the gold. I get it now. Okay, so I see. Now, what happens in Vampire Survivors when you can't afford it? Or it just tries to buy it, but you can't. No, it's basically, it's showing me the disabled button, the buy button disabled, which I guess I don't have. So I said, like, essentially it's... It's doing this. And then just not this. There we go. Okay, so this is the button. Kinda looks bad. Why the fuck would that be so fucked up? Oh, excuse me. Oh wait, it wasn't 26, it was 38, right? Okay, so what do I do here, guys? Do I remove the... Do I remove this book? Or I could draw the icon itself here to the left instead of the book. And then I guess either have this draw button, the buy button. You are in the way a bit? Yeah, wait, let me move a bit. I'll try to move, give me a second. Where's the stream? So yeah, essentially, this is what it looks like here. And now instead of the book to the left, this one right here, I could draw the icon that we clicked on. So for example, I could draw this book here. And then also the name on top here. Right, so I would move that a bit down, write the name on top, then draw the description in the middle, draw the buffs to the right, maybe in smaller. And then the button to the right here that says buy on top. And then maybe I put like money here. Essentially, I was thinking about something like this. It's maybe instead of this here, right? What we do here is we make this a bit bigger. How much bigger? Like, we take those, right? Where is it? Here. Then, you know, it kind of needs to fit. So we do have to make it a bit bigger. Maybe by 2. right? Then obviously I have to change the gradient again, which is fine. We can do that. This, and then do Shift G for the gradient. Take, I think it was this. Something like that. We have the gradient. Let me put this here. Or maybe we do that here, put that here. Something like this. And then we put some coins to the left. These smaller ones here. Maybe something like this. You know? We just design really cool button. That looks inviting, you know? That looks like, ooh, I want to spend some money, bruh. You know, something like that. Give me this. Thank you. Where's this? Where's the button? There we go. You know, put some of those sprinkled throughout. You know. Maybe here. Create some three-dimensional space. So actually, fuck, I should have done this. Wait, I think I can still save it. That's fine. Should have done this in a different layer. My man, thank you very much for following, by the way. Gachiro. Welcome, sir. Goodness, I can't really tell, but I think... There we go. So I kind of want to do this. Have like a stack of coins. Yeah, wait, so keep that. Just do a stack of coins. This, and then put this one in front. Kind of like that. And we'll put this here. Huh? Look at that button, boys. That's a buy gold button. That's that's some dollars, bruv. Damn. Look at these awesome buttons. Man. Huh? Isn't that nice? Let's see. Where do we put this button? I guess here somewhere. This needs to go away. The dollar is flipped. You're right. The dollar is flipped. Yes. There we go. This too. Mm-hmm. There we go. Nice skill. Right? What do you guys think? Is this good? Do you like this? This button right here? It's a big button, man. Hey, hello there, Gachiro. Good morning. Hope you're doing good, bro. Welcome, sir. Welcome to the stream. I think this is nice. Yes. I'm proud of this. Let's update the dimensions. This was 26, I think, now, and the Atlas offset completely changed. It is 1480 and 50. 1480 and 50. Let's see here. Oh yeah, we also have to update this. Oh guys, look at this button. Take a look at this. That's awesome, bro. Wow. And then we say I guess buy on top. Huh? So, like this. The button here. We put it down by like 6 or something. And then we draw UI text. Buy. In like green. If we have enough money, right? Exactly. And then we do cost position. And I guess we do... yeah. Let's try that first. I want to see how it looks first. Outline. No, wait. Yeah. Cost position and then plus vector 2, 110. Oh yeah, we also need to do centered. Center. And now that we have this, and I guess -6. Test this. Almost. I can't go much further down. So I need to go higher with the button, with the text. Let's try 10. I think 10 is too much. Ooh, what do you guys think? Buy? And then to the left where the book is, right? We don't draw the book, but we draw the power up. Dot sprite ID. Hey, that's so cool, man. Name and icon. What is that? Is that a string ID? Hmm?
Gotcha, bitch.
Let's draw the dot render options. Draw this in outline. And then center. And I guess the font size is gonna be 0.5. But we'll test that. And then this is going to be comma 6 down. There we go. This is what I want this to be. Take a look at this. I'm Lexum. Thank you very much for subscribing, bro. Huh? What happened? Oh, I forgot a semicolon. And a man XD. Welcome, sir. What do you guys think? Maybe the text bigger? 0.75? It's not really centered, is it? Maybe in a different color. What happens when you hover the button? Nothing. You have to click on them for it to change. Oh wow. And some of the names are really big. You see that? That's bad. That's really bad. Let's test this. I mean, it would work, but it bleeds into... I mean... Yeah... I mean... God, that looks so good! Yes! Man! Look at this fucking bar, man. Holy. Sorry. Oh, juicy. Goodness. Nice. I love it. I love it.
Hello, Cakez.
Hello, sir. Good morning. You can start rounds. Gold plus 10%. What does that mean, Cakes? I'm still building it, bro. It's still in progress. I need dollar. Dollar is what I need. True. You need dollar. Look at this, guys. That's what I want. It's odd how that changes sometimes. It feels like flickering a little bit, isn't it? Very interesting. Not sure why that is. It's probably because I'm doing the selection code down here, right? Very interesting. Is this going to be for MTX? No, this is just a normal meta progression, like in Bloons. I don't know about you geese, guys. Geese. Let's see. We have the money there. We have the buy there. I don't have the level in there yet. How does he show the level? He doesn't show the level at all. He just shows the level indicated here. Smart. Let's change the size of this power-up thing, by the way. Cost size. I don't really like the naming of this. But we can always rename later. Let's see here. I called it something cost. Yeah, cost size. Let's turn this to 280. I think that's already enough. Is it? Hey, stop. Stop that, bro. We do not want to start 2 of these. Yeah, I think this is enough. So also, like, let's see. Background and gradient, that's fine. Heading. Heading is also fine. Cost. So what I need to do here is... Actually, that's fine. Heading can go away. Guten Tag, hello. Oh, my man, good morning. Morax stream, good morning. How you do? Hope you're doing good, bro. Will you commit to do more interesting style of perks from that one YouTube comment? Yeah, exactly. I'm trying to do more interesting things. The stuff that you're seeing here right now is placeholder. Now, I will probably keep the lives and the starting gold. I like that a lot. Think that's awesome. However, many other things I want to change. Now, I do add, cooldowns is generic. That can happen, can apply to everyone. I do want to have some form of meta progression, obviously. But I also want to have some more interesting stuff, for sure. And it's basically I'm going to experiment. So I'm gonna put in some stuff, see if it works. And if it doesn't work, then I will listen to you guys' feedback and try to do more interesting and cool things. And then we'll see, right? So let's see here, description. Yeah, no, not the description, the name and icon. So the way I wanna do this is to build a const x position for that. That is essentially the cost position dot x minus the cost size divided by 2 plus dot x, by the way, plus some padding, which let's say that's 24, and that's a float, of course. And then over here we could say, okay, well, I want this to be on the X position. And on the cost position dot y minus 10. Because now I can make this placard bigger and smaller. And I will always have this, like, it's basically, you can think of it like auto, how do you call that? Auto, I'll show you, essentially. I don't know how to explain that right now. But it's essentially cost position at y plus. And then x position here. Back 2. If we manage to get this done today, I'll be very happy. So like what I can do now is essentially change the cost size to be any size I want. So for example, I could say 90. And the book will always move according to the size. Look. It will always move to the left, which is really important because now I can define a proper size and it will always be in the same position. And that's essentially what I want to do with the name and icon, and I just did that, and the description. So we need to generate another X position here. And I probably have to have better name, but X position description, which I guess is the cost position of X minus cost size dot x divided by 4. Let's try that. Let's see, cost position dot y, and over here that would be x position description. Test that. Mr. Cakez, any chance we get a song request enabled for a bit? Let's see here. Sure, why not? I know we have been listening to the same music for a while. Let's see. There you go. I just the reason why I disabled that, by the way, was because people were complaining that it was always some weird songs playing, and yeah, they just didn't like it. So I disabled that. That's the reason. All right, let's see. So obviously that's not good enough. Minus, also that's, let's see. X position divided by 4 is kind of bad. So I kind of want to do cost size divided by 2 plus. So I do want to... that's difficult. It's not divided by 4. Divided by 4 is not... Try 6 maybe? They didn't like circus music, you mean? No, we were playing better music, okay, bro? What you're saying right now is kind of toxic, I have to say. I'm evaluating whether I should ban you, sir. Gotta be careful here. Okay. X position stats. And then that does plus the size of the cost. And we call this the stats. Okay. Let's see, X position stats, and then we put this here. There we go. X position stats. And then cost position dot y minus this. Let's test this. How does it look? This is essentially for this. How does it move so much? Ah, because I see. Let's try 10. So, what do you guys think? Should I make it smaller for the stats? Like that? Small, yeah. Should I keep it smaller so I can have more stats? You can even add more stats with space. Yeah, maybe no text and only icons. I don't think that works. Icons, because how do you icon a spawn rate? Right. I think this is fine. I like it a lot. Now, obviously, I can't have too large... I can't have names that are too long. Right? That might be too small. I think I'm gonna keep it like this for now. I like it. It doesn't have to be perfect like this yet. Right. Now, the one thing that I don't like is I get more gold, but the enemies spawn... Okay, so spawn rate, right? Let's go to texts. What I could say is enemy spawn rate here. Okay? Then this will be changed to enemy spawn rate. See that? That works. Now, enemies' movement speed is being increased. I have generic movement speed. So, like, my units don't move at the moment. So we could assume that movement speed is only used for enemies. That being said, I really like Kingdom Rush. And in Kingdom Rush we have heroes. And if I ever add heroes to my game, guys, we will need movement speed for the heroes. Now I could, like, the simplest fix, right, is literally this. Just say enemy movement speed. Speed? Nah, I don't think that works. This is what it looks like then. Eh? Bro. Give me a second. Like this. And then I can put the... I put the button. Where's the button? This is false. The button, right? The buy button. Put this all in their own... What are heroes in this context? You want to know what a hero does? Sure, I'll show you. So essentially, if I wanted to add heroes to my game... actually, let's stop. Pirate software. Vampire Survivors. And then go to Kingdom Rush. Heroes would do something like this in the game. Pixel art games are supposed to look good and interesting, but decide to make a square and reuse the same sprite with different icons. This is what it looks like. Let's do any mission. I guess this one I still have 2 stars. Here.
Ice, ice, baby.
I can move this unit
Cool. It's chilling
around.
time. Winter is coming.
Okay.
Ice, ice,
And she can attack
it's chilling time.
enemies. So for example, if I put a tower here, put a tower here, put some other towers here. Right. I don't know, something like this, I guess. Then she can be used to attack. This game looks really nice. Yeah, I like Kingdom Rush. It's awesome. See that? And so I could potentially, you know, use heroes. That's cool, yeah. So that's like something I'm thinking about, but I'm not doing yet. Why do I not do this yet? Well, because it's a lot of scope creep. And I'm already I'm already having issues with scope creep, right? So I wouldn't want to spend too much time on that if I can avoid it, of course, right? So that's essentially the idea. And so then I would have movement speed in the game, not generic enemy movement speed. But until I have that, I guess I'll just call this enemy movement speed. I like how you read my previous comment while I was AFK, because I didn't expect you to read it with a 30-minute delay. So interactive with YouTube chat. Nails, yeah. Can you also do a hero systems of balloons, right? I can also do a hero systems of balloons, right? Hero system of balloons, yes. And so, like, the heroes wouldn't move, right? I would deploy my hero somewhere and he wouldn't move. Yes. However, I like the idea of a moving hero, but I don't know if I'll do it or not. Are you still stuck at that level? No, I played further than this level, but I'm still stuck at getting 3 stars in this level, yeah. I feel like I need more stars. Which, you know, the one thing that I don't like about Kingdom Rush, but it feels like to me, is there's always like one preferred way to do certain things, or certain upgrades is what you need, and you don't really have much... How do you say that? You don't really have much chance otherwise. Why are we talking about a hero system? Does it mean the demo is delayed by another year? No. I'm just talking about it, something in my mind. We are still going to have the demo, bro. Okay. X position button. Then would be the cost position dot x plus cost size dot x divided by 2 minus, I think it was 24 or something, right? Content. Heading. Wait, content is here. Name and icon is plus 24, and so in this case it would be minus 24, yeah. Let's see, cost position dot y. You know, we'll have to see if I do it or not. X position button, and we do that here to X position button. Then cost position dot y plus. Get rid of this. There we go. Do we have an actual roadmap plan for the demo release? No. I just know what I need to add, and I'm adding that over time. That's all. I don't really have a crazy schedule, or like... I do have some ideas, yes. I could show you if you want to. But it's mostly what I feel like needs to be added to the game. So for example... Where's this? Where's this even? Actually, looks like I lost it. Did I close that to-do list? Yeah, it looks like I lost the to-do list. Or it's somewhere else. Let me see, open. Cakez framework. Feedback. Is it feedback? No. No, I don't know where it is, actually. I don't know. I don't like heroes in tower defense games. It's most of the times means that the hardest levels are balanced around having to spam all abilities at the current location instantly as soon as they are off cooldown, while adding something to do while waiting for things to die is nice. It's just not the chill strategic gameplay I like in tower defense games, but it's just my opinion / preference. So I think heroes done right is Bloons. I think Bloons does heroes very well, where they give you a list of abilities on the bottom left that you can activate whenever you want to. And for the most part, you don't really control the abilities. You don't tell them where to use the abilities on. They just use them, and they are mostly global abilities. And I think that's the best way to do it. And ultimately that is what I will probably do. Let me test what happens now if I make this choice size a bit bigger. Like, let's say to 300. What does that look like? I feel like this button needs to be... Yeah, ultimately... Ultimately, I like this. And so for the button... the button needs to be minus 30. Let's try 30. Do you know the concept? Wait, do you know the concept of gardener versus architect when it comes to writing books? Cakez for sure is a gardener. Is that toxic, by the way? So global abilities in addition to your other global abilities you will have. Do you expect people to press a dozen of buttons like in WoW during the round? Again, I said if anything I will most likely do... the way in Bloons, like they do it in Bloons. That's how I see it. I'll probably do it like in Bloons. Okay, guys, cool. Now, we have done this, essentially. It's grabbing most of the things from the power-up. And now, we can actually start replacing the old power-ups with the new power-ups. So, for example, we grab those. And each power-up, well, we have a name. Good. It also needs a string ID for the description. And so then dot description is deadly swarm. We don't have that yet. String underscore increased, I think. What was it called? Texts. Deadly swarm. Early rounds. Yeah, wait. So we get those. String. Power up. And then over here, underscore description. Deadly Swarm and Lone Ranger. So now we need to also give them a name, but let's start with green. You can start rounds early, allowing you... Oh, it's gray, yeah. So Deadly Swarm increases enemy spawn rate. What does it do even? Deadly Swarm. It gives me more gold and the enemies move faster and regenerate more gold. Okay. So... wait. What is this? Does the tower have auras? So one tower makes attack speed buff aura or some slow aura or so doesn't attack. But make auras? Yeah, Phil. This will be in the game. You are the George R.R. Martin of game dev, Cakez. This is a real compliment. Is the text on the modifiers like code plus 10% offset on the y-axis intended? They look kind of weird when they are not on the same y position, or is it just me? You mean this? I don't know if it's intended, to be honest. I'll probably have to fiddle with these positions. Oh, Resist, good morning. How are you doing? I'm good, good. Thanks for asking, Resist. Hope you're doing good too, bro. We're currently building Metaprogression. And we're almost done. And then tomorrow we can work on gaining gold during the levels and using that gold for Metaprogression. And then we can finally go back to working on skills, which is what I wanted to do for a long time. Okay, let me think. Deadly Swarm increases. And let's see. Enemies spawn more frequently. Enemies spawn more frequently. And move faster. But you gain more gold. Something like this. And then the Lone Ranger. Rangers placed alone without any placed alone, deal more damage. Let's do it like this.
Gotcha, bitch.
So that would be string, power up, deadly swarm description. There we go. String lone ranger description, power up lone ranger. There we go. And early rounds. String power up, early rounds. There we go. Nice. I love to see your growth. Thank you. That's awesome to hear, bro. It's really awesome to hear, man. I hope you're doing good yourself, brother. Guys, I'm fucking hot in here. It's like dying. It's so hot. I just can't. Goodness. It's hot there, yeah. Alright. Let's see. Mark B, Mark A. Let's go back to this. We have the description here. Okay, now this is where we have to change the power-ups that we go over. I want to change the for loop. For power up reference. Oh no, power ups in. No, wait. Power up in power ups. Ooh, it does work, guys. Dude, max level AR. Take a look at this, guys. I have essentially just replaced stuff and it should just work. It should just work. Wonder what that is. Checkboxes? Okay, no. Tell me that just works. Tell me it works. Hey, this is so good. This is so good. Er erlaubt sich viel, der Schlingel. True. Wait a minute, why is this yellow? Why is this yellow? Why does it say yellow? Did she mean this to be inside 4? No. Why? Oh, you mean this? Yeah. Get rid of this. This is, yeah. Gone. I wonder why it's still red. Eh? Oh no, I need the power up index. Oh no. Oh man, that's so dumb. Fuck, bro. Fine. Fuck, man. It would have been so cool, bro. Five hat er, ja.
Let me fucking hear you, Captain fucking asshole! I wanted to relax. I wanted to relax. God, they triggered me.
Master M. The calculations are in and the powers of your brain are overwhelming.
I'm just gonna get gone, I guess, huh? Guys, I forgot. When I started today, did I commit? In the very beginning of my stream. And Aishai Sato, thank you very much for following. I did commit. I don't think I did. I hope not. I'm banning you? You're very negative, Mr. Shady11. You have been very negative today, you know? 5 minutes. Work on your game for 5 minutes, okay? Just look at git log, check the commits. You committed to playing Wukong after? You only committed to play. Shut up, man. Oh no! We have uh-oh. Max level should not be 0. Max level 5. Max level 5. Max level 5. So then I see. Power up count. And so I guess starting hearts. Yeah. We haven't implemented that yet, I guess. Let's just give it the same things as this for now. Then it won't. Whatever that's called, it won't run into issues. You can check it. Yeah, I'm gonna test. Ah, okay. Cool. Kinda works. Yeah. Lone Ranger, Deadly Swarm. Looking nice, I have to say. Really good. I mean, the the thing is kind of broken, but it does work. Nice. Cool. Description, stats, name, and icon. Where are these positions here, by the way? These. It should be called Sprite UI locked. Checkbox. I don't understand what's going on here. Is this the name? Is this sprite? Am I blind? Ship it? I don't understand why it draws these here to the left, essentially. I don't know what I'm doing there. So I can't quite follow the code right now. Because I'm just doing a for loop here. Am I blind? Am I dumb? So like it's just drawing the lock to 1. And it doesn't draw unlocked. So I don't understand. Hey? Just do not understand, bro. Okay, max level. Draws 5 of these. Ah, level index. I see, it's using the animation index to determine whether... Aha, okay. I get it now. So this thing... Oh god, where is this even? Aha. I get it now. Shouldn't this be 1 and 0, 0 and 1 maybe? Wait, so let's say, wait, the level is less than the power-ups level. Then it should be 0. Otherwise it should be 1. But it still looks weird. Now it's reversed. Ah, wait. So I guess we do unlocked. Because unlocked is the first one. Awesome. Take a look at this. Huh. We have 4 meta progression types and we can now add more to the list. And the more we add, there we go. And now we also need to read the stats properly. Let's see. coin icon, menu playing. The cost. I hope that's using the cost correctly. Yeah, power up costs, yeah. The content. The power up name is here. Sprite ID is here. The description is power up description. It is a string from the power up dot description. Get rid of this. Power up dot description, and then the stats are taken from the power up on the power up. Actually, power up dot hero stats and power up dot aim stats. Here we go. Cool. This is it. Random question. Would it be good to make this a skill tree like heroes trees so you can have Metaprogression skill tree? Kinda, but I think it's too much work. Cakez is the type of person who would nest temporary operators. Hello Cakez, I've done some deep reflection of the current state of chat. Okay bro. Her rangers placed alone deal more damage. Damage if alone plus 20%. So like the one thing that I'm missing from this UI interface is that I don't see the level. So for example, Lone Ranger has 5 levels. So what should this display me here? That's the problem. I can get not this Metaprogression. Load Metaprogression, yeah. Metaprogression here. So essentially, oh no, shit. Yeah. So what I do here is I create new stats like this. Imagine how ashamed Cakez would be if someone bought the game from him and he'd be forced to send that to them. Eh, what? Oh, guys, my leg hurts. Give me a second. Oh. Like I played soccer a lot yesterday and I need to kind of stretch and run a little bit today. Oh. Yeah, it's normal, that's fine. It's called active recovery. Have you guys ever heard about this? When you had like a very crazy, how do you say that? A very intensive day. Then you do active recovery by, let's say, riding a bike. Or jogging very lightly. Or you're taking a stroll. That's what essentially I need to do today. Oh, like it's nothing major, it's normal. I use the skip rope. It works great for me. Yeah, for me what I do is I just take the ball, since I play soccer, and I just pass against the wall a bit. Pass against the wall and, you know, dribble a little bit and do juggling, stuff like that. And that helps a lot. I have an idea. So essentially this loop right here is what I need to copy. I don't know if I want to copy just the code. Let's mark this as B. So essentially what I need to do here is... I kind of want to... Oops. No, wait. Yeah. This is essentially what I do here too. You see this? See that? I generate a stat here. And then I add to this, that, stat. Please tell me that works. Essentially this is what I'm adding here. And I kind of want to... Ah, it's fine. We hard-coded like this. It's okay. The reason why I don't like this is because I'm currently duplicating code. And that could be dangerous, potentially. But essentially, I have to copy the correct values. And now I need to give myself a, like, let's say, if key pressed this frame, key Ö, we don't have that, key M, I guess. Then we do game state, save, state.gold, plus equals 1000. So we can test. So, let's see here. So this should be, this is essentially wrong. This is 10,000 gold, holy shit. Oh yeah, I do, what was it, M? Why does it not work? Let's do key Z. Huh? Does it not work? Huh? Wait, there's something wrong here. I think I have to reload. You know, I can't believe you the other day when you called yourself the Jesus Christ of programming, but now I see why. Jesus performing many miracles, like turning water into wine and healing blind. You also perform miracles. You turn C++ to utter dog shit. Your stream makes normal people clinically insane, and you react turn other people's works into views for your channel. Shut the fuck up, bitch. This guy's so salty about my reactions on the YouTubes, bro. Damn. What a pussy. Let's see. Bye. You, Z. Why do I not get money? Huh. It doesn't go here. Why? Huh? I do not understand. It goes here. It doesn't. Wait a minute. It doesn't go here. Why? Huh? Am I stupid? I thought I changed this. Huh? What the? Oh, wait, it's not compiling. Oh no, I'm fucked. Oh no, I'm totally fucked. Uh-oh. I'm fucked. I accidentally deleted the closing brace and I don't know where that was. I'm totally fucked. Guys, stream's over. It's done. It is impossible to find that now. I don't know where that is. Nope. Oh god, yeah guys, I'm not finding this today. There's no way. I found it. Oh, I'm a genius. I found it. Guys, I found it. JK, stream saved. I found it. No, I found it. Hell yeah. Hey, it works. Look at this. Wait, Z? Ha, money. Take a look at this. So, this turns... Wow. 10,000 is kind of a lot. Plus 40%. It shows me the actual value right now. Why is it not showing me the... Hey? Is it showing me the... Okay. Code plus 10? Target stats, add hero stats, enemy stats. Do I not have hero stats here, bro? Lone Ranger. Ah, I see. It should be on the text. Lone Ranger. Damage if alone. But it does. It's there. It's there. Oh, I see. I see. Oh God, I'm stupid. I get it now. So it it doesn't show me. It doesn't preview me the stats. Oh shit. So guys, what should I do here, by the way? Should I say per level? It needs to show 30 to 40%. I don't think I can do that, bro. I don't think I have the possibility to do this. Not with my current setup, unfortunately. Like, it's too rigid. I know that it should show that, but I think I'm just gonna say... Make the change easier to make. Impossible. No, you don't understand. So the function to get me the description for stats is... This is rigid, bro. This is rigid. There's no way that I can extend this. Restart with Unity? No, we're not restarting with Unity, sir. No, so this is out of the question. So, like, in Vampire Survivors... Where's Steam? Let's take a look here. No, I can't do it, bro. I can't. And I don't want to. Not play. So it says per rank, and then it shows me the maximum rank. Increases enemy speed, health, quantity, and frequency. So essentially what I could do here, though, is multiply that by the power up level. I guess we could call it int next level is power up dot level plus 1 plus 1, and that would be the minimum of the power up dot level max level, and that. And then we just say multiply that by the next level. But then it would always show me the next level, and so that's also bad. Vampire Survivor skill UI resolves this by making it a constant step. Yeah, I know. Add a dummy 0 level that shows stats. No, unfortunately that doesn't work either. But next level doesn't work either. Shit. I mean, it's fine, you know. We're gonna have to tweak it. That's kind of annoying, unfortunately. It's not as simple as I would have liked to, because now it says plus 40%, but that's the next level. We currently have plus 30%, and if it's 0, it should show me plus 20, but then when I buy it, it shouldn't show me plus 40, it should show me plus 20. And then maybe I just have a heading per level. Maybe that works, per level. So, like, I can make it static, right? Essentially. So, instead of next level, we do the current level. Actually, we just don't do that at all. But we just add the target stat. Then we, you know, have this. Put some comments here to separate this a bit. Gather stats. There we go. Then we get the description for the stats. And then what we say here is we draw a format UI text.
Gotcha, bitch.
Right. And then it says per level \n and then %s, and it puts the stat description here. Whoops, sorry about that. Let's see what that looks like. Like this. And thank you very much for following D3CD2. Welcome, bro. Hello there. Hope you have a good day. How do you access the level to display the stat? If you go 0 for no level and n for maximum level, you could index with max level -1. This would map both level 0 and 1 to the same index. So what you're saying is, let's keep this. If I do it like this, just want to keep this to make sure I don't lose it. But over here this says gather stats. So you're saying is this function right here is important? I mean, you say the minimum. How does that work? So on level 0 it should be 1, on level 1 it should be 1, on level 2 it should be 2. I don't think that works. So on level 0 it should be 1, on level 1 it should be 1, on level 2 it should be 2, on 3 it should be 3, on 4 it should be 4, on 5 it should be 5. And then I should no longer be able to increase it. So essentially the level, I guess what you're saying is 1. No, the maximum, I guess. The maximum between 1 and the power up level. I guess. You mean that. And then it's... Wait, the maximum. Oh, I see. I don't do next level. Let's call next level. It's fine. So you're saying like this. Why does Vim always copy the blank statement, the blank space behind something that I'm yoinking? I hate that. There we go. Like this? So it says 20, I buy this, it still says 20, but then it says 40 in level 2. You mean this? I mean, it looks kind of bad if it's level 0, right? Yep, I thought your index was different, but it's the same idea. Guys, I'm gonna let the level play for a little bit. Because I need to go to the bathroom. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Oh, excuse me, I'll be right back. By the way, this right here, I'm gonna show you, I revisit this off stream. This is what it looks like right now. I think you'll like it. Take a look at early rounds. What I did here. Let's say this is maximum level 3, right? Watch this. I had a cool idea. Let's give myself some money so I can actually win too. Watch here. You see how it turns yellow? Since I'm now spawning the second round too. You see how it's now turned red? Huh? Isn't that nice? I did that off stream, bro. But yeah, you saw this? I really like that idea. Level 3 units are too fast. Yeah, they are very fast, I know. Guys, we're not listening to this. Sorry about that, but nope. It's too crazy. Let's see. What was I working on? Oh, yeah. So, guys, you think this is good? Should I keep it like this? Damage if alone plus 20%. Then it still says damage if alone plus 20%. And now it says 40. That's what we currently have. Should have plus 20% in the description on the left. Immo. Unfortunately, so you have, you know what each click is doing. If anything, then I will revert to this. I will revert to this, bro. To be honest, guys, I don't like this too much. I'd rather do this. Wait a minute, it draws this twice. It should know the current percentage and the 1% with each buy. It does know that. However, the issue is that I can't put it into writing because of C++. And doing that would require too much rework, which is why I don't want to do it. I'm gonna place it at like a certain position now. Also this gold plus 10, yeah, that's too much. 14. Stack? I don't know what you mean by exclamation marks. Whoops. Stack. But I use a batch script to build my game. And I don't know, I use C++. If that's what you mean, bro. Huh? Why is there a space here, guys? Eh? That's not normal. Is it everywhere? I'm just programming in C++, yeah. What is this game? Is it C++? What's the database? There is no database here. It's just C++ code, yeah. Let's get rid of the Go generation here. Let's just not have hero stats at all. Please fix that space. Smiley face.
Yeah, I'm working on it, bro. I don't know where that shitty space comes from. I have no clue, man.
Oh, I know where it comes from. I know where it comes from. There it is. That's it. I like this more, guys. So that allows me, by the way, to have 4 stats for each meta progression. So, for example, we give the enemies, I don't know, stat, damage, multi. We give the enemies 10% damage multiplier. Ah, yeah, of course. It says 2, 3. There we go. Now, obviously, it doesn't say enemy. Okay, what enemies gain, enemy damage. And so, kinda sucks again, right? I need stats for those, though. Lone Ranger. Damage if alone, 20% plus. Maybe I say per level, and then I say how many levels out of how many I have. I think that would be smart. Percentage D slash... Wait, it's percentage D slash percentage D. You are aware that that eventually you shoot yourself in the foot with that suggestion? Cakes, you worked hard today. Time for a react, don't you think? Time to earn some dollars. Yeah, but I'm not done yet. Maybe colon not. But this. What about this? I like that. And then maybe we put this in green. Cakes, I liked your YouTube stream, so you could have double the amount of likes. Oh, that's awesome. Do I have 2 likes? Damn. Thank you, man. Yeah, guys, what do you think? This is kind of the new system here. What do you think? I feel like this text is too big. It doesn't fit. I think I need to make it smaller, unfortunately. It's too large. It needs to be 0.5. As? Oh god. Hey, how about 70? Oh, come on. Enemies spawn more frequently and move faster, but you gain more gold. Can you do refund if it's too difficult? Yeah, it's up here. Yes. And I'm going to add more. This is just for the beginning to test how that looks. Enemy movement speed, gold plus 10%, early rounds. And then this one is not implemented yet. He meant refund the game. Shut the fuck up, bro. 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5, 3 out of 5. Rangers placed alone. Deal. More damage. What the fuck is with this font placing here? You see that? It's totally off. What the fuck? How? Does that happen? Cake's looking really good. Good job, man. Thank you. Yeah, I think we did a good job today with this. Took a bit of time to get it right. Maybe the text on the bottom is still a little tall. And maybe the coin is also a bit too far to the right. Heading, let's see here. Cost coin, let's say minus 18. I think if your customers saw the stream, they won't buy the game for sure. No, I don't think so. I don't agree. I think people seeing my stream and seeing me develop on the game is inspiring, to be honest. And so they would be like, hey, damn, this guy can make a game. I can make a game too. That's how I see it. Kuakori, thank you very much for following. And wife beating tutorial 3D. What is that name, bro? How is Twitch allowing that? What the fuck? Thank you so much for following, though. I appreciate it, bruv. You inspire me to try and be as good as you. That's awesome. You're welcome. You can say that again. Bruh. I'm not happy with this text, guys. That is the one thing I do not like. Everything else is nice. Also, I think this should be 32. Let's see here. Background and gradient. Content. Super inspiring for me, Cakes. You keep me on track and progressing on my game for my first jam. That's what I wanna hear, bro. Nice. Awesome. I wish you good luck on your first jam. Jam, bro. Should be white as well instead of gray. It was white before, but the issue was that it collided with the stats to the right, which basically made it difficult to read. I'll show you. Let's go to text. So if I just make it go to Lone Ranger, it's difficult to read. See that? How it collides? Needs to be a different text. And so what I do in the game oftentimes is this. For example, for abilities, I have it like this. So the stats are gray. I see. The stats are gray. Maybe I should turn them gray, guys. What do you think? So instead of that being gray, this is white. But I think it should be the other way around, right? Maybe this should be white. Why not place it next to the book and align the book with the title in the start? Why not place it next to the book and align it? Is this guy spamming? I think it looks better with gray stats and white description. Yeah. So you guys are saying give it a white description. To the stats, gray. Which I can do, by the way. Where's this? This is the button here. Hey? Am I stupid? Power up description. Ah. Get stat description over here. Oof. How do I do that? You said gray, right? Why don't we just do this? Printf, how does that work? Format string in a buffer. Oh no, wait, just want to add to the buffer. I guess I want to do this. It's kinda, you know, kinda lame to do this. But that would work. Now all the stats in the game are gray. Come on, they're gray, bro. What are you talking about? What do you mean? They are gray. Oh, sorry about that. Like this. Uh-oh. Shit. We got it now. Got it now. Kinda weird to want me to say it again though. Okay, you inspire me to try to be as good as you. Oh, I see you said it again actually, because I said you should say it again. Okay guys, now it should work. Home. It only draws the first one in gray. Why? That's odd. So how does that work? It does gray. Ah, so it's like inside. It's inside something. So wait, and it's not even correct. Remove the last \n. that. And then in the render interface, draw UI text. Draw UI text. Here we need to figure out, this is where I changed the color for the text. I guess I need to store the previous color somehow, or like have like some sort of color index. And so whenever I have a closing brace, I need to store the stack color, I guess. So how do I do this? Oh, that's annoying as fuck. We go through the... Wait, loop over the words. Oof, that is annoying as fuck, bro. I guess we put it here. Color. Color is... It's like a stack. I guess like I wanna like at most 3. Color stack is nothing. And then to the color stack, I dot add the original color. Okay. What? Oh, it's a vec 4. Yeah. And do I have a top? First, last. I have a last element. Good. Okay, let's test. So the moment we change, we add to the color stack. The moment we change the color. Color stack dot add this color. Like this. Like 4. Color. What's this? Maybe this works. We'll have to see. Like 4 color. What's this? Oops. There we go. Pick 4 color. What's this? And then yoink that. So you want to index into a color table. I kind of want to... how do I say that? Like every time I have an open curly brace, I'm changing the color. And if I have multiple curly braces opening up inside of each other, I kind of want to stack them so that I don't forget the last color that I was in. Hopefully it works. We'll have to test. So every time I encounter a new color, I want to make sure that I store the old color. Or I store that color into the stack, and whenever we have a closing brace, I set the color back to the original one, or the one on top of the stack. This is essentially, this is what you could use a macro for, by the way, in Vim. I wonder why this complains here. Dim. Okay, gray. Finally, we're done. Okay, vec 4 color. Finally, okay, that took a long ass time, but we have it now, guys. This is it, and every time we find this, we do color stack dot top or dot last, and then color stack dot count minus minus. Let's see if this works. Would be cool. Chat and Cakez, do you request mean songs to our God program Cakez? Did you request? Yeah, they did request kind of shitty songs, I have to say. Yes, it was not nice. Oh, damn, it doesn't work. It's now green. I'm doing something wrong here, but we're getting closer. Why is that? What does it look like? So we have gray. Then it turns it to green. Turns it back to gray. Should turn it back to gray. And then should turn it back to green. Wonder why that's not doing it. Okay. Looks good to me. Almost correct. Yeah, almost. Let's figure out. So we turn that to gray. Right, let's just run this. We turn it to gray. We add the color to the stack. Which we should have 2. No. No, you should not have to. Sorry, but you shouldn't have to. Nope. That's not true, guys. That shouldn't happen. This looks like gray to me. The first one is white. Actually true. So the default one is white, this one is gray. So we just added gray to the stack. Okay. Alright. And then whenever we find a closing one, it should turn back to white. But why do we find a closing one? For the gray? Count 3. Ah, that's the green one. RGB, green. Yeah, this, you see 0.9? This is for green. So we got the green one out of the way now. Ah, it should do count minus minus and then get me the last. I get it. So first we do last, count minus minus and then last. Ah, guys, I think it works. I think I just had like a Dreher in English. Oh, wow, it works. Damn. Cakez, you are the best. Thank you. Mr. Teacap. Yeah. Guys, what do you think? Gray stats. What do you think about this? Nice, looking good. I think so too. Looks good. Yes. I kinda helped. Okay, bro. So, guys, we have an attention-seeking person in chat.
Right. Thank you so much for helping me to, tell me that maybe swapping around the gray and white colors for the text and the stats, it was a good idea. Thank you so much. I appreciate it a lot. You helped me tremendously today.
Thank you. Change the description to gray too. No, the description will be white. It looks bad. It looks ass though, I have to say. It does kind of look shitty. So maybe we can put him in the credits. I don't know about the credits, you gotta do some more stuff for, to get to the credits, That's a bit much to ask for, Have to say. Ah, so that's why. That's the reason. Okay. Please tell me that works. It works. Look how good this looks, guys. Oh my god. It's so fucking good, bro. Look at this, guys. By the way, your About Me Cakes under the stream is wrong. It should be the following my favorite games are Bloons 1 through 5, 4, 5, and Bloons 6. No, that's not true. My favorite games are Gothic 1, 2, 3. You're wrong, sir. You, sir, are wrong. Oh, I have an idea. I'm gonna do a static minus by 50. Let's test that. Yeah. Now that looks fucking delicious, mate. That is sexy. The last thing we need to do is change this, the name, to a different color. And I kind of want to do it here though. Draw number, coin, was that cost, heading? Wait, no, that's the heading. I want to change the name, draw format. Oh, man. Sorry. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. Everything's good. Gothic 3, America, Arcania was better. No way. So what do you think about blue? Or should this be a different color? And let's try 7.5, but I think it's too big. Trash. Arcania was not better, guys. Oh shit, that looks so bad, man. It looks so bad. Fuck, man. That looks so bad too. Oh man, it looks so shitty. Fuck, bro. Is it gonna be so much space in there? Fuck, man. Plus 34 maybe? I mean, that works, but then again, like, if I have something that's too long... Try purple. Purple is... What is purple again? Okay, wait. Purple? Purple. Okay. Let's try. Do I have purple here? These are the colors I have right now. I could try index 36, maybe? Index 36? See. Do I have this available too? I don't. What is this color? 204, 153. 204. I can't see the colors. Rough. 153. 153 and 255. Wow. That's crazy. Alright. Oh shit. I mean, might as well just draw the text then. Here. With the string in there. The power up name. Remove that here. And then dot material. Color palette. 36. Like this. I like hex numbers better for color math, to be honest. I mean, yeah, whatever floats your boat, bro. What do you guys think? Purple? Give me a rating from 1 to 6, guys. Purple? Except for collector of stuff, because his ratings are always dog shit. 1, okay, out of 6. 2, blue is better. Yeah. Blue is better than purple. Okay. We do have some testing. I can do show blue again. Yeah, I'll show you blue. 27, 28. My wife's calling. Awesome. We can have this blue, or 28 is also possible. I'm gonna quickly. You guys are saying 28. Yeah, you like this the most? Blue for buff stuff, buff books, red for debuff books maybe. Nah, it's gonna always be the same. This looks good? Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. No, why not 3 columns? Text plus icon, description, and stats stacked vertically. Text aligned left. Price? Oh, you mean this? We had this earlier. I guess I don't have it here. But like essentially just this stacked like that, right? You mean like this? We tried that, but it doesn't really work. Essentially. I tried it. 3 columns horizontally. 3 columns horizontally. I don't know what that means. Guys, I think it's okay. This is fine for now. This is not perfect. But again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's good enough for what it needs to do. And ultimately, that's the most important thing. Can the text have a Farbverlauf in English? No, I'm not gonna work on that. The cost is too big. You think it's too big? I mean, it needs to be a different font. Yeah, I know. We will put it in a different font whenever I have a second font. I know that. Bottom padding. No, I think it's fine. To be honest, guys, I think it's okay. Collector is like a prophet Cakez didn't want. It's perfect. Cakez wrote the bot himself to flame himself for content. Okay, bro. What are you making? We're currently making a meta-progression system and we are kind of done. This is what it looks at the moment. It explains to the left what it does. And to the right, it essentially shows the level and the stats that it affects. And then we have a nice little buy button over here, where my head is in the way. But essentially this is what we made today. And now the next thing would be to win or lose a level and then gain gold during the level and then have that increase as we do the different levels so we can spend the money on these. And these need to be... Why don't you place the description closer to the title and image? Looks odd. You think so? I don't think it does. I think it looks okay. The level, you only have 1 level. I know I only have 1 level, but I don't need more than 1 level right now, bro. Yeah, so essentially that's what I want to do, and there's a couple of things I still have to work out. So for example, if I want to give enemies damage, My heroes can have damage too, and so the description here just says damage plus 10%. So you would assume, if you read this from the outside, that my heroes gain 10% damage. And it doesn't say enemy spawn rate, enemy movement speed. But unfortunately, that's not the case. This is enemies. So I think I need to somehow separate this in a way where it says heroes gain, enemies gain. Like a heading, but then it would be even taller. And so I'm having a lot of issues with the UI, and so maybe it is better if I really do put it to the left here. I don't know. We didn't want to know this. Stop streaming. It's fine. It's totally okay. I'm gonna get some more coffee and make it wrap automatically like scrolling text. No, it shouldn't be scrolling text at all. Who asked Cakez? Your band? Hello, Rico. Good day to you. Maybe just an icon showing the enemy or hero next to each stat. No, because like how would I make... I see what you mean. So it shows the hero, gold plus 10%. And then in enemy it would show the spawn rate and movement speed with an enemy icon next to it. Right? It's actually quite smart. It's actually kind of nice idea. That's actually really cool. Because we can essentially sort this in a way. I like the icon idea. Have you played Guild Wars 2? No, I have not. I actually have, yes, but not for very long. I played like level 30, 40, something like that. And then I quit. Yeah, not really much. That would work, right? That would work. The icon idea. Yeah, you can just scale down a sprite or something. I just noticed you look like the main guy in Peaky Blinder, bruh. Peaky Blinder? No, I'm not gonna scale down any sprites. I'm actually gonna draw one really quickly. Doesn't take too long to draw a sprite, bro. Like most things in pixel art are very fast, done very easily and fast. Now, I would probably have to have something like this, so... Let's see here. We do have this icon. That's 16 by 16, which is a bit too big. Well, we could take this as an example here. So, let's see. That's kind of 8 by 8 or something. Let me test. How much is this? 6 by 7. 8 by 8, so that's it. So it'd probably be something like that. Oops. I mean, we could try that. See if this works. I mean, almost. You could potentially have that. Whoops. Oh wow, that looks nice. Looks kind of cute. I like that. Cakez, your request about the bot is impossible. Song request doesn't create notifications that could be displayed in the window. Okay, I think you're lying, bro. You have a new skill, spawn assistant oranges. I think this guy is absolutely lying so that he doesn't have to add that feature to the bot. I don't appreciate that, bro. You lying to me like that. So what do you guys think? 8 by 8. It's the first one. And now we just gotta make a skull. Unfortunately, I don't have an outline. So I might have to generate that. Shift O. Just do UI features. Then Cakez can't say anything otherwise. He'd be criticizing himself. I hate it. Looks bad. You look bad, bro. I think that looks kind of nice. Though I do agree we could potentially extend that. Kind of have this extended a little bit. I don't hate it. I think it's nice. Little orange kind of buff, not gonna lie. Well, let's use that for now. Call it small orange. It's difficult to put it in there though. Kinda, I mean... have an idea. Description, right? Press the Z key, stats. We can do stat description. We can draw the stat description here. And then we get that again. Before we get that, we do stats is nothing. We reset that. And then over here we draw UI sprite. Now the question is, where do we put this? You need to use a song request with Spotify, by the way. Let's see here. Item, 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 item. Sprite Lone Ranger icon. Sprite Tangy icon. And then Sprite Skull icon. Lone Ranger. There we go. It's on 0 in this case. 0. The size, I think, is 10 by 10. And we're gonna figure out where this is here. It is in 576. There we go. Alright, and then we draw a sprite Tangy icon at this position here. Let's see where that is.
Gotcha, bitch.
Doesn't look too bad, you know? And so then it would be like text first that just draws the per level things. Add that position. This and this, and then the power up level. Actually here, without the stat description. There we go. Guys, can you still follow? There we go. Let's test this. What this looks like, and then don't draw the other two texts. This not yet. This one would be on the. This one would actually just be the stat description. Stat description on the whatever that's called. Text position. Plus vector 2. That would be 12. And then... yeah, 12. And then over here we do text position. Position y plus equals 10. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Guys, I think we have it. This is what it looks like. Oh wow, that's too much. No? I guess we do plus equals 8. Yeah. Okay, and then...
Gotcha, bitch!
I need to like hard code this. Let's see. The sprite is on... And by the way, guys, I really appreciate you following Motors, sorry, and M, what is that? M dot. Thank you guys for following Uber King Kong, my man. Uber King Kong. Good morning. And I should ban Galaxy Media for keep refollowing. Fuck you. I'm not gonna say thank you to you. No. -2. You're awesome. Thank you, bro.
Gotcha, bitch.
Thank you so much. Witch of Pandemonium. Thank you so much for following too, man. Welcome. Hello there, sir. Damn, guys, look at this. I don't have much space left, though. That's the problem. Looks good. Yeah, well, we have an issue, though. I'll show you. Text position.y plus equals text height. Description height, I guess. And then .y. He's making a racetrack. New programming. Why are you so many indentations? Shut the fuck up. I'm not making a racetrack. I'm just programming something really difficult, okay? Bro, the more indentations in your code you have, the more difficult the problem is, okay? So think about it like this. If one indentation is level 1 programmer, okay, and you want to ultimately get to become a 10x programmer, you have to have more lines. And so that is 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13x programmer. Okay? So that's how it works. Okay? And so if you want to get to my level, not 13x, okay? 13x, okay? Then you need to have more indentations, of course. Do you understand? So. Okay, let's see. What does this do? But if you didn't want that many indentations, then... Oh, yeah, that's the problem here. Isn't it? We don't have a lot of separation here, so that means I probably have to make this menu a bit bigger.
Guys, we have to make the menu bigger, otherwise it doesn't work with icons. You see this?
I need to have a separation here. So it's like, okay, so text height plus like 4 or 5 or 6. Yeah, that would work properly. But you see how that overlaps? Well, does it though? Oh, wow, I have an idea. I have a really cool idea. Cakez, can you add a command like Steam so people can wishlist your game? I should do that, yes. I'm stupid that I didn't do this yet. Yeah, you're right. Fuck, man, it's not big enough. Shit, man. I think with the icons it usually works as to replace the text to save space. Then if you're wondering what icon is, hovering over the icon shows the stats. No, it needs to be, you need to be able to see it. Does that mean that you get each upgrade has always, wait. Does that mean that what you get each upgrade has to always be the same? Yes. So Metaprogression will give you the same buff. Name of the game so I can wishlist. Cakez TD. Yeah, I should do that. I'm working towards it. Like, so I don't want to update my demo version right now because I'm not done, guys. I'm not done with the game. There's no point in upgrading me this update. It's not Blood City. Actually, you're banned. 5 minutes. It's called Cakez TD. This is the name. You can find it through Cakez TD, but again, I'm not advertising it at the moment. Thought it's called Tangy Defense, yeah, but on Steam it's currently called Cake City. Does it have cakes though? Not really. Friendly reminder, 77 and Cake 77 is for the age. He will be when the demo comes out. No. I'm a glutton for 2D games and I'm working on one myself. Oh, that's awesome, bro. That is really cool. How's it going so far for you, man? Guys, so do we make this bigger is the question. Do we make this... Oh man, that fucking sucks, bro. Make what bigger? This menu right here. Now, I could do this, by the way. I could remove the heading, move everything up, and then I can have potentially 4 stats here. Whether that be 3 stats on the enemies, or 2 and 2, or 1 and 1. What about the art of the game? You're not creating sprites yourself, are you? I am. We just created this little icon here. Didn't do much, but yeah, we did this. Or make the stat text red for the enemy, green for the hero.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Xantha FG just
Yeah, could be red.
Big tick support for 1 year.
Holy moly, Xantha. Thank you so much for subscribing, bro. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Yeah, you kind of repeat yourself with this. I know. Yeah, but like saying something different, like it's ultimately the way I feel. So even though I repeat myself with this, I mean it. So what else are you gonna say? Fuck you? I don't think that works. You know? Guys, I have an idea. I'll just test this really quickly. Let's get rid of the heading. Where's this? Where's the heading? I think it's fine because really a thank you is a thank you. Yeah, I see that. I see it the same way. Like I noticed that much earlier already, but what are you gonna do, right? What are you gonna do? Let's get rid of the heading really quickly. If false.
Gotcha, bitch.
Scamast. Bro, thank you so much for following. Welcome, sir. So now the heading is gone. We just have this in here. I can put the buy button. I can give the buy button the money, how much it costs. You know? And then I might be able to get rid of the buy keyword, essentially. You know? I can just put the number here on top. And then everything in here...
Am I so out of touch? No.
Schofield just subscribed.
My man!
Big tick support for 21
Thank
years.
you, bro.
Cakez 7 rub 2.
Cakez 7. Yeah, dude, you can write more messages than this. You don't have to. Yeah, guys, you can write more messages. You know, we have advanced TTS. We have different character names. You know, you can use the old guy, funny guy. You can use 3 CPO. You can use Ghost. Everything, you know, we have TTS. We have that. I'm not advertising it very well, but we do, yes. I need to do a better job at advertising it, so you guys, when you subscribe, you get something out of it. Yes. Still working on how I could do that. It used to be free? Yeah, it used to be free, and I couldn't get a single word in. Which is why it's no longer free, and it costs money now, so I can, you know, eat food and have money. True. Description. Yeah, we'll move this up. Be careful. Minus the text height divided by 2. That's the description. I think that's fine here. Then we just move this up by 16. Wow. Yes, I like it a lot.
Am I so
I
out
think
of
this
touch?
is awesome.
No.
Xanther FG is gifting 1 sub to the community.
My man. Sir, thank you so much for gifting a sub to who got it? Who got it? Urama. I appreciate it. Nice, yeah. Cake, split the stats into 2 columns. Heroes, enemies, and put the Tangy top. Put the Tangy on top of the column. Move the upgrade level below the book. I don't think it fits into 2 columns. Because of the text. I think it would be too long. I would do it otherwise. What's the big boy Cake doing? Good morning, Nichop Koda. Long time no see. What up, fool? We're currently working on Metaprogression and it's basically just UI. But I think you're right. I can put the per level. No, I need to put the per level here, bro. I need it here. Yeah, we need this here. Like this. Cakes, you should have never disabled TTS. Now you have to face the truth that even though it's off, you're still not making progress. At least with TTS, you had something to blame. You're wrong. I'm making a lot of progress. And so you're incredibly wrong with this. Number 1. And number 2, we can have an awesome discussion now without me being interrupted. So it's incredible how wrong you are, but it's fine, you know. Not everyone can see the light. I'm gonna get very close. What are you gonna do? Guys, what do you think? This done, man? Huh? I can't dodge. Oh, Sophia, good morning. Hello there. Good morning. Hi. How's it going? What's up? We are currently working on UI Metaprogression for my tower defense game. Now the last thing I'm working on at the moment is this little... I guess my head is in the way, huh? Well, this right here. This number right here. I want to make this yellow. Like the gold. And then maybe we just move this a bit up. Guys, does this indicate buying the upgrade? Is this button clear enough? I'm pretty sure it shows me that I'm spending money here, right? It does for me. I'd say so, yeah. It does. I hope, you know, I hope, yeah. Let's hope. It looks like the total coin amount for me. Awesome. Put buy over the button. No, I'm not gonna put buy over the button because I drew this awesome image and I want this image to be looked at. You know? I didn't spend the time in the editor to make this not be looked at, bro. It needs to be looked at by everyone. How are you? Good, good. How are you? Thanks for asking. I'm good. Very good. Making good progress on my game and I'm happy about that. That's awesome. You know, you have some good days, you have some bad days. Today, I think I would call this a W day, guys. What do you what you call today, guys? W day? Do we have a W day today? I think we do, right? L day, you're wrong. I think you're wrong. Hallo, was passiert? Oh, Ramis. Hello there, sir. Good morning. Hope you're doing good. L, no Wukong. You're right, no Wukong, but we added in a we added a completely new thing to the game. Metaprogression. And you know what the cool thing about this is? I'll explain to you when we have the material done. Which is oh yeah, if the cost is greater than the game state, save state.gold, then I want this to be color palette 4. Otherwise, I want this to be color palette. 8? I guess. What's your favorite hobby? I guess playing and making computer games. That's not true. That should be red. You guys can't see it. It's yellow. It should be red. I think, like, everything that has to do with computer games, to be honest. Yeah. Like, my favorite hobby. 100%. Like, why else would I make games? Because I want computer games. And let's see, we have cost is less than... I see, so it needs to be inverted, right? So that... Or we invert... Well, the cost is greater than what we have. Right? Nice. Yeah, what about you? Yeah, okay, so that's what I want. I want it to be red. And if I get myself a lot of money, we have it like this. I think this is obvious what it does. And this is what we're gonna have so far. What do you think, guys? From 0 to 10, this right here. What do you think? Is it too complicated? Or is it fine? I need the skull, by the way. Need to make the skull. Pretty sure I have that somewhere. No. Someone is at the door, guys. Give me a second. Too complicated? Ah, come on, guys. It's not too complicated, bro. It's not too complicated. The UI is not my style, but it works and looks good for your purpose. I agree, you can update it later if needed. Good. Can you make the cost border sprites move in clockwise direction? Move? Maybe to show they can click it. Maybe after 2 seconds it starts moving. Just extra fluff. The border sprite move in clockwise direction. Oh, you mean animate this in a way. Like it's animated here. Will the grass around this screen stay like it, or will it have a texture? It will have a texture, yes. That's essentially like, this is a bad, like this building will change. This building too. And it will kind of look like this. Will be more full. I just didn't get to it yet. You know. Still working on it. I remember that map layout. Yeah, it's from Bloons. It's definitely taken from Bloons. Because I want this to be recognizable. Can't put my finger on it? Okay, bro. So what did you guys say? Will the grass be... Will the button should be grayed out if it's not available? Yeah, like I could do this, I know. It's fine, it communicates. You will have many UI passes in the future. Next feature. Okay, fine. So Mr. Ramis says it's good enough. Mr. Ramis is a developer of a very successful game. We listen to him, okay? When he says it's good enough, then we clap the hands and say, yay! Nice! Awesome. Now, there's one thing that pisses me off. You know, it's causing ADHD in my body. And that is the -12 here. Actually, not here. JK. This one right here. -18 is pissing me off. It needs to be -17. This needs to move 1 pixel down. Oh yeah, okay. Much better. Awesome. I like that. Perfect. Very nice. Now, I was about to draw a skull. But I'm gonna do that later. I think. That being said, though, can we do this in like 2 seconds? Oh wow, that looks kind of nice, doesn't it? Look at this, guys. That looks really good. Wait a minute. Wow, that looks really nice. Damn! Look at this, guys. Bro. I don't think I can make it any thinner. Nah, it's impossible to make this thinner. Okay. Let's see, the skull icon is 16 down. And then put that here. Tangy icon, and we draw the skull icon. This is what it looks like now. I think the text here is still a little too high. But otherwise, it does look really nice. What about this? I mean, it's fine. That's okay. That looked like a certain German guy. I think I like this. Let's test this with... I guess we can do this in an if check here. Yeah. Like this. Like that. So if we don't have enemy stats, we just don't show it. And the same goes for whatever that's called. Put that here. Very nice. I'm very happy. We made a really good change today. Eh? What the fuck happened? Did I break something? No. Oh, I see. Anyways, off to work. You'll be awesome. Yeah, my man, Xantha. Thank you so much for the big support earlier, and you have a good day, bro. There we go. So now, if I have something that doesn't have stats, I think I like it. This looks good. And then I don't need to have enemy movement speed anymore. We could just say spawn rate and movement speed and damage. Damn, that's really cool. So instead of enemy, we just do movement speed. And then that's damage, and then the other one was spawn rate. Placeholder? Why are there two things called early rounds? Placeholder. The other one is a placeholder. Yep. There it is. That's why I suggested the icons. Yeah, really good idea, bro.